Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to replace the wire shelf for the freezer on your top mount refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. So to replace this shelf, we simply need to open up our freezer. If you already have that type of a shelf in there, you simply lift it out and discard it. Now to install a new one, we just make sure that we put the ends of that shelf into the track along the side. We'll fit the rear one into the notch, drop it into place, and the pan on the floor of the freezer has a groove cut out that will allow that shelf to sit right in. Now if you're just adding a second one, we would simply mount it the same way, install the rear pin into the cutout at the back, and set it down into place. We can close the freezer door up, and your repair is complete.